Once again, welcome back students to our maths class of class 7. Before the S7 examination, our exercise 5.2, two questions were remaining. The last two questions, that is question number 5 and question number 6. So today in this video, we are going to solve these two questions. The question figure I have drawn on the board, and measure of angle ABC is given. So this angle is 70 degree, plus they have given that all the arms of the angles are parallel to each other. That means this line and this line, they are parallel to each other. BC and EF is also parallel to each other. So what this information they have given? Now they have asked find angle, this angle is given, find angle DGC and angle DEF, means this angle and this angle we have to find. So whatever properties, whatever related angles, whatever angles made by two parallel lines and a transversal, all those angles that we have learned, now we are going to solve those angles. Okay, now using those things we are going to solve it. Here you can see that AB and DE is parallel to each other. Okay, so given, first we will write given angle ABC equals to 70 degree. Arms also, arms of angles are parallel to each other. Suppose we say that AB and DE or DG, they are parallel to each other, and we consider BC as a transversal. Now AB and DE, line AB and line DE, so that is segment AB and DE, are parallel to each other. Consider BC as transversal. Now BC is considered to be a transversal. Then see here, angle ABC, angle ABC equals to angle DGC. So angle ABC equals to angle DGC. Let us see where is angle ABC. Here is angle ABC, already given 70 degree. Angle DGC is here, means these two lines are parallel to each other. AB and DE are parallel to each other. And if we consider BC as transversal, then this angle and this angle, they form corresponding angles. So here we will write down the reason. Since corresponding angles made by two parallel lines and a transversal cutting them. Therefore, angle DGC, now angle ABC is already given 70 degree. Therefore, angle DGC equals to 70 degree. Simple. Since these two lines are parallel, this is the transversal. So these two angles are 70 degree. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Okay. Now we have to find out angle DEF. Again, let us see. I will rub out this. Now BC is parallel to EF, line segment EF. So, and consider DE as transversal, and consider DE as transversal. Okay, so these two lines are parallel. This is the transversal. We can extend this line also. We can extend this line also. This also and this also. Imaginary we can extend. So here you can see these two are parallel lines. Now these two are parallel lines. This is the transversal. DE is the transversal. Angle DGC. This is this angle DGC equals to angle DEF. That means this angle. Since corresponding angles, again corresponding angles, therefore, now this was 70 degree, angle DGC also we had found 70 degree. Now they are corresponding angles, equal in measure. So angle DEF equals to 70 degree. And done. Your question is solved. Okay? Okay, we move towards question number 6. In question number 6, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sums. And any two sums we will be solving. So, what is the question? In the given figures below, decide whether L is parallel to M or not. So some questions are given. So this is the first question. Very soon I'll draw the diagram for you. This is L line, this is M line, and N is given as transversal, and these two angles are given 126 degrees and this is 44 degree. With this information, we have to decide whether L is parallel, these two lines are parallel to each other or not. Now again, here a transversal is given, here two lines are given. Now when these two lines are parallel, we have seen some angles, 6 types of angles we have seen. Corresponding angles, interior angles or exterior angles, interior opposite, then we have seen alternate interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Now here interior angles on the same side of transversals they have given, and one property we have learnt about these angles is that these two angles, interior angles on the same side of transversal, they are always supplementary. That means their sum comes to be 180 degree. So we have to decide whether these, if these two lines are parallel to each other, then these two angles should be supplementary to each other, and vice versa, that is reverse. If these two angles comes to be supplementary, then these two lines are to be parallel. So in the given figure, if L is to be parallel to M, then interior angles on the same side of transversal needs to be supplementary. Needs to be supplementary. That means their sum should be 180 degree. Now here two angles are given. They are the same angles. They are the interior angles on the same side of transversal. So therefore 126 degree plus 44 degree should be equal to 180 degree. Add them up. 6 and 4, 10. Carry over 1, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 7. And 170 is not equal to 180 degree. These two angles are not supplementary. It is not 180 degree. Therefore, in the first sum, L is not parallel to M. So in the first sum, L is not parallel to M. Okay? One more sum we will solve. Third sum we are going to solve. Second, third and fourth, almost they are of the same kind. Let us check. Now, in order that these two lines L and M, they should be parallel to each other, the single property that makes them parallel, or another way to approach this sum is that we can also say that these two angles are corresponding angles, they are equal. But instead of going through that method, the only best way to check whether these two lines are parallel or not, we will use the property that interior angles on the same side of transversal, they should be supplementary. Now here only one angle is given on the interior angle on the same side of transversal. This angle is not given. This angle is not given, because if these two angles comes to be supplementary, then and then only L and M should be parallel. So what we will do, first we will name this angle as A. So we will write, let there be angle A in the figure. We have assumed it. Therefore, angle A is, now these two angles are vertically opposite. Angle A is vertically opposite to given angle 57 degree. Therefore, angle A equals to 57 degree. Now this angle A is 57 degree. Now we have both the angles on the same side of transversal. Just check whether they are supplementary or not. If L is to be parallel to M, then angle A and given angle 123 degree should be supplementary. This is the short form from supplementary. You can write the full spelling. Therefore, what is the value of angle A? 57 degree. 57 plus 123 equals to 180 degree. Okay, 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 8. 180 degree equals to 180 degree. Both the sides are equal. That means these two angles are supplementary to each other. Therefore, L is parallel to M. So in the third question, L is parallel to M. Question number 2 and question number 4 are of the same kind. You have to assume one angle and you have to solve it. I think that question number 2 and question number 4, in that the answer comes that L is not parallel to M. So both the questions are for homework. So here the two questions we have completed. Thank you.